At Parker Brent, we invite you to embark on a journey to start your career in building and construction. We're passionate about helping our students achieve their goals and believe that with the right training and support, anyone can succeed in this dynamic industry. Our comprehensive program is designed to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence you need to thrive. Led by experienced trainers, our hands-on learning opportunities and industry-relevant content will give you a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of building and construction. Ready to take the first step? Here are 4 tips to keep in mind before enrolling. At Parker Brent, we're here to help you take your building and construction knowledge to the next level with our Diploma of Building and Construction program. We understand that everyone's needs, skills, and experience are unique, which is why we tailor our program to suit you. To ensure you get the most out of the program, we recommend having a suitable level of English language, literacy, and numeracy skills. It's also helpful to have some prior experience in the industry or a qualification such as our Certificate 4 in Building and Construction. Our goal is to help you succeed in your building and construction career, and we're committed to providing you with the support and resources you need to make that happen. We know that pursuing a career in building and construction requires dedication and commitment. That's why our Diploma of Building and Construction program is tailored to your specific needs and goals. Whether you're seeking to upgrade your skills or advance your career, our program will equip you with the knowledge and hands-on experience you need to succeed. When you enroll, our experienced trainers will work closely with you to assess your skills and experience in the industry. If you're looking to apply for a builder's license, we'll ensure that you receive the support and guidance you need to achieve this goal. By clearly communicating your aspirations and experience, we'll help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards making your dreams a reality. Starting a new journey in the building and construction industry can be both thrilling and daunting, but with a reliable support system, you can approach it with confidence and achieve your goals. At Parker Brent, we have a team of dedicated training advisors who are readily available to answer your questions and are committed to your success. Joining the building and construction industry requires dedication and hard work, and we understand that taking this step can be intimidating. That's why at Parker Brent, we're here to support you every step of the way. Our team of experienced training advisors, administrators, and trainers are committed to ensuring your success. We'll help you clarify your goals, stay focused and motivated by providing access to cutting-edge software, tools, and resources. Investing in yourself during the enrollment process is crucial. Whether you're aiming to make a career change, become a builder, or start a construction business, with our comprehensive program and personalized guidance, you'll gain the necessary knowledge and skills to thrive in this dynamic industry. Parker Brent wants to help you succeed in building and construction, but it's more important to do your part too. Research and invest in yourself during the enrollment process. Start by defining your goal and making a clear plan. For instance, if you aim to become a licensed domestic builder unlimited, it's important to complete the Diploma of Building and Construction and gain practical experience in the industry. Familiarise yourself with the regulations of the Victorian Building Authority or other similar authorities in other states and fulfill all the requirements needed to apply for your builder's registration. With our team's dedication and your determination, we can work towards your success. Watch inspiring interviews with Parker Brent's graduates on our YouTube channel and read testimonials on our Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn pages. For further assistance, contact Parker Brent at 1300 773 737 or email us at info@parkerbrent.com.au.